I want you to go to Postman, try to test the appropriate method, think about as many tests as possible, try to assess the result. What do you think? Is the test passed or failed, even if you have an error?
We should create a new passenger and create around 3 snippets. We're gonna fill those properties in the JSON format, and we check first snippets. Successful post request. We're expecting get successful code 200 or 201, and the next snippet check existing files inside the response of a JSON. We expect age property from API. We check put case in the array and using cycle format for check does age file exist in the JSON. And the first snippet does email has a correct format. We also get JSON data from response of the server. And we expect from property email with match with specific regular expressions for checking does this text looks like email format. And we're gonna send request. Now we created the new passenger ID in the database, and we can check all test result has been passed successful post request, check existing files inside its JSON, and email has correct format. It's only positive test cases. Server already checking email format inside the backend's logic of the code.
Thank you very much. It's perfect.